As a design and engineering manager, you know your team is facing increased pressure to meet milestones and deliver information to the rest of the shipyard. You've hired highly qualified professionals to do this. Why are they wasting time doing work that doesn't require their skills? Your designers and drafters are using a tedious, manual, error-prone process to identify, find, compile, convert, format, store, and deliver information. And they spend hours working with tools and departments outside of engineering just to understand what needs doing, especially when changes happen. Or it's to answer questions when info is out of date, unclear, or incomplete, questions that could have been avoided. It's wrong to have highly skilled, highly paid people performing tedious chores. It should be automated so errors can be eliminated and high-value people can focus on high-value work. Increase quality and take back hours. Spend that time on activities ensuring your team accurately delivers what the shipyard needs when it's needed. To learn about the solution, ask about the SSI Enterprise Platform today.